This is Gaida 101. This is an older bagpipe. This is from Greece. We have the chanter, the drone, and then the other two pieces that are parts of the drones. I'll put them together and show you. So we have the mouthpiece, the chanter piece, so that's where you stick the chanter, the flute part, and then this is where the drone part goes in. You stick the drone part in with the reed pointing down. Make sure that it actually makes noise. If you get something in between that or anything around here, it won't make noise. If you have, I don't know, gunk or trash or whatever, or some of this hemp wrap, if it unwraps and gets around this, if the reed breaks, it won't make a noise. It makes a noise, right? So then we stick it into this. And then we have these two extra pieces. The one that looks like this goes on there. And then the one that is shaped like this or like this goes on the end. And it goes on the end like this. Okay? And then last is the chanter. Another way to blow into the bagpipe is to put the drone in and blow into it like that to fill it up a little bit easier. So here's the chanter. You put the chanter into the chanter piece. So essentially what it should look like is like this. When you blow into it, you hold your finger on the drone to turn on the drone. And then you pull it out. So that's essentially how you put it together. When you are playing with the drone, you can rest it like this. You can put it up here. I've seen people put it on the other shoulder. And I've also seen people, and I sometimes do this too, is put it under your shoulder just to protect it, make sure it doesn't hit into anything. So that's the main stuff. I'll show you also a little bit more and talk a little bit more. So I'll put together the drone without it. So this would be another drone for a different Gaida. And to tune it, you move this or this. To put it in farther. I'll make another video about tuning real quick.